let me tell you how long to charge the Anker Soundcore 2. So, here we have the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. And we'll pull out the rubber bung here on the side and plug it into the USB-C. Now, once you've done that and plugged the USB into either a wall socket or a laptop or something like that, it will indicate that the Anker Soundcore 2 is charging with this red light here. Now, if you're using a 2 amp charger, it should take around 3 hours. If you're using a phone charger or a laptop USB port, it should take 6 to 8 hours. If the red light is flashing, this will indicate that you have a low battery. When it's steady, as we can see here in the video, this means it's charging. And when it turns from this red steady light and goes to a steady white light, this means your Anker Soundcore 2 has fully charged. So that's how long it takes to charge the Anker Soundcore 2 and what the different colour lights mean. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.